Nuclear fission describes the reaction and process in which a heavy nucleus splits spontaneously or on impact with another particle with the release of significant amounts of energy. Nuclear power plants are nearly 8,000 times more efficient than the burning of fossil fuels such as coal and oil, while producing practically zero carbon emissions or other greenhouse gases. It is crucial that we move towards utilizing fission more in today's society to help stabilize our planet's carbon emissions and halt ecological failure.
Fission reactions are the most commonly used nuclear reaction in today's world. The enrichment of uranium cores is key to making the whole process work. With enrichment levels of around 20% uranium, the reaction reaches its critical mass and can create usable energy inside of a power plant. Yet, when enrichment levels are above 90%, the reaction becomes too unstable and leads to an explosion, which we see in nuclear weaponry. The nuclear reactions performed inside of power plants rely on causing the reaction in a large water tank.
This then heats the water into steam, powering a turbine that produces electricity. This water vapor is sent to the characteristic large cooling seals, which are only releasing water vapor into the atmosphere as the water cools. Fission in the power plants we utilize today is only really used to heat water for steam-powered turbines. However, the main issue with this project is the nuclear waste. We still have no safe method of storage for this waste, but with future research into the area, we can better recycle it and store the unstable waste in a safe manner that will harm no living beings.
Compared to our two most used sources of energy, coal and oil, nuclear energy produces the least amount of deaths per watts produced. If produced safely, nuclear energy provides lower emissions, lower mortality rates, and a more reliable source of energy. With that being said, the United States currently houses 98 nuclear power plants, but has not built one since the Watts Bar power plant, which completed construction in 1990. If we discover a safer way to store nuclear waste, then nuclear energy could become the energy of the future.